using the present simple to talk about general truths.
Wow, look at this place. It's so different from back home.
Yeah, the architecture here is incredible. I love how they mix old and new.
I read that it's a tradition here to give flowers when you visit someone's house.
Really? That's so nice. In my country, we usually bring sweets or something to eat.
I guess every culture has its own little rituals. It's what makes travel so interesting.
Definitely. You get to see a whole new way of living.
People here also take their shoes off before entering a home.
Oh, we do that too, but mostly during winter when it's muddy or snowy.
And they drink tea with almost every meal.
That reminds me of my grandparents. They drink tea all day.
It's funny how some customs feel familiar and others feel totally new.
That's what makes it fun. You learn a lot without even trying.
I always feel more open-minded after a trip like this.
Me too. Travel really changes the way you see things.
Now you try. What's a tradition in your country? Try using the present simple. For example, in Colombia, people drink coffee every morning. Or, in Japan, people bow when they greet each other. Write the answers in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.